nag-prepare tayo several weeks before, and of course, ang ating operation is actual kahapon, and then we'll give a time for, we'll have a critic, and aayusin natin yung lugar na pinagdausan ng rally, and then they will be going home by 5 p.m. And so, by 5 p.m., we'll be downgrading our alert status. And I'm pleased to report that the entire activity was peaceful and no major toward incidents were recorded. Throughout its duration, this positive outcome is the result of our early preparations, strategic planning, and close coordination with our partner agencies and the local government units.